from mesmerizing crowds with his incredible voice to displaying his acting skills in movies like Chamkila and Udta Punjab, Diljit Dosanjh is now gaining international recognition. Apart from his exceptional sense of style that has caught everyone's attention, he also keeps achieving groundbreaking milestones. Adding to his already impressive list of accomplishments, the Pride of Punjab appeared on The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon. Here's a look at Diljit Dosanjh's global success. Diljit Dosanjh makes history at Coachella. Coachella, also known as the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival, is a big music and arts festival that happens every year in Indio, California, USA. Diljit Dosanjh made history at Coachella when he became the first Punjabi singer to perform at the festival, joining a lineup of stars like Blackpink, Charli XCX, Labrinth, and Kid Laroi. He wore a striking black outfit with his turban, taking to the stage. Diljit Dosanjh performs at Radhika Merchant Anant Ambani pre-wedding. Diljit Dosanjh gave an energetic performance on the second day of Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant's pre-wedding celebration in Jamnagar. He brought Kareena Kapoor Khan onto the stage, got her dancing to his tunes, and even playfully compared her to international pop stars like Rihanna and Beyonce. Diljit Dosanjh proceeded to perform the hit song Proper Patola, which is when Kareena Kapoor Khan joined in, showcasing her enticing dance moves on the grand stage. Diljit's Dil Luminati tour sets new records. Diljit impressed a packed crowd at the American Airlines Center in Dallas. He was given jerseys by the Dallas Stars of the National Hockey League and the Dallas Mavericks of the National Basketball Association. Moreover, he was asked to sign a framed poster of his show, which would be displayed at the venue. The venue representative explained that this tradition is a way to honor all artists who perform to full houses at their arena, which holds around 20,000 spectators. Diljit's worldwide hits. Diljit's team-ups with international artists like Camilo for Palpita, Sia for Huss Huss, and Saweetie for Kutti have made him a global music star. Even Ed Sheeran couldn't resist sharing the stage with Diljit for a special version of Lover during his concert in Mumbai. Diljit on Jimmy Fallon. Now, Diljit has reached even greater heights by being one of the latest guests on Jimmy Fallon's The Tonight Show. On the show, Fallon introduced Diljit Dosanjh as the biggest Punjabi artist on the planet. Diljit was welcomed by a thunderous applause by the studio audience. He certainly brought the Punjabi energy on The Tonight Show as he performed his hit Punjabi tracks, a first on the show as well.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.